Hi, Georgette. This is Georgette. She's a 3-year-old Shih Tzu mix. She's very friendly. She's very potty trained, huh? She's great in the house. She's so cute. She's a good dog. She loves to play. She just doesn't know how to give the ball. She plays with the other dogs in the house. She's just very happy, huh, Georgette? She's happy. So let's give you something. See, she doesn't bite you when you give her food. She's not aggressive. Oh, honey bunny. Her hair is going to grow out and it's going to be longer. But she was shaved down at the shelter because she was heavily matted. As I said, she's very potty trained and she's got all her shots. She's been spayed and she has been dewormed. She's a good girl. She's a good girl. Hi. Say hi, everybody. Say bye-bye, Georgette. Can you say bye-bye?